Do you want to know how you can log in to your Shellpoint Mortgage account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2 Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log in to your Shellpoint Mortgage account. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser and then open Google Chrome. Now, in the Google search bar, search for Shellpoint Mortgage Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. Now what you need to do is click sign in to my account. It will lead you to the official login portal of Shellpoint. What you need to do is write down your username and then press next. Now write down your password and click sign in. This way you can sign in to your Shellpoint Mortgage account quite easily. If you want your browser to remember your username, click this box. And if you want to create a new account, go ahead and click this link which says create a new account. If you have forgotten your username, click on this link, and if you have forgotten your password, click forgot your password. This way you can recover your password back once again. I hope this video about how you can log into your Shellpoint Mortgage account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.